Alrighty, haven't done an episode for a while, so I thought I would cover off. What's happening? I thought I would cover off the Melbourne JDM Festival. So, as a sponsor of the event, I'll be doing a giveaway today. So there's lots of nice cars getting around. Some interesting cars, some more interesting than others. So basically, we're going to cruise around and have a look at what's going on. We're holding a secret giveaway competition that is going to be announced in the next hour, and we're going to be judging everything from competition cars down to your run-of-the-mill stuff that's in the car park. Like I've said in previous videos and stuff like that, there's always nicer cars in the car parks. Well, I shouldn't say nicer, but most of the time there is nice cars in the car park. Basically, that's a GO, so I'm going to get some footage of some of the cars that we think are really, really nice and some of the stuff that we think deserves to come down to the shop for free. So I'll basically show you around what's going on. I'll cruise around, get some B-roll footage so you guys can see what's showing up, get along with the day, and hopefully you guys enjoy and see what we've got here.